Pinagdiwang natin kamakailan ang World Autism Awareness Day. Bagaman mahirap sa umpisa, naniniwala ang aktres at working mom na si Candy Pangilinan na biyaya ang pagkakaroon ng anak na may espesyal na pangangailangan.
Let's talk about Quintin. Let's start where and when you found out. Anong tawag sa kay Quintin? Ay, yung tamang term, ate.
Quintin is under the spectrum. Meron siyang ASD and at the same time, meron siyang ADHD. Iba-iba eh. So, sabi ko nga, being in a spectrum, hindi lahat ng may ASD is isa lang klase. So every person in the spectrum is unique as well.
11 months pa lang si Quintin nung mapansin ni Mommy Candy na may kakaiba sa kanyang anak.
Pa-schedule na kami ng therapy. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, nung doctor, I cannot give you anything right now. We just have to go to the occupational therapist. Then after that, we will go to the speech therapist. Sabi ko, so, ano po yung occupational therapist? Sabi niya sa akin, so, para matuto siya maglakad. Kasi hindi siya nakakalakad, hindi siya nakakatayo. Speech, so pwede siya magkapagsalita. Sabi niya, there is hope. I cannot promise you anything, but there is hope.
How was it like for you? Not knowing exactly what was going on with Quintin.
Nung time na yon, hindi ko talaga siya naiintindihan. Hindi siya sink in sa akin. Alam ko may problema. Ang unang tanong ko lang, is it my fault?
Yeah.
Saan to galing? May ginawa ba ako? Alam mo yon?
Marami sa mga kapatid natin ang medyo makaluma pa yung pag-iisip pagdating sa ganito, na ang pakiramdam nila palagi, anong ginawa ng nanay? May problema ba ako?
Natatakot sila, baka masaktan yung bata. Natatakot sila kung ano sabihin ng mga tao about the child. And they're not ready paano nila tatanggapin.
Kahit daw mahirap ang naging sitwasyon para kay Mommy Candy, hindi niya kailanman ipinaramdam kay Quintin na napapagod siya.
Sinasabi ko lang, mom needs to rest. I need to rest for a while. I'll be back in a minute.
What was the worst time? Yung pinaka-worst na narinig mo, talagang papatulog ka, ate.
Ang dami. Actually, minsan nga, they don't have to say anything eh. Yung tingin lang eh. Yung may diri, may takot, yung lilipat ng upuan. Yun lang eh. Yung children's party, yung ilalayo yung anak. Kaya before ang prayer ko talaga, Lord, please give Quintin friends.
When you decided for Quintin to be more out there, to be exposed in the real world, were there any fears?
Actually, when I decided to do the vlog, it was out of parang I wanted Quintin to enjoy social skills, to develop his social skills.
What's your greatest lesson? Greatest takeaway from all this?
Life is good. Everything is a choice. Happiness is a choice. But whatever comes in front of you, you have to embrace it wholeheartedly. Love is really love when there is suffering.
That's true.
Diba? And when you embrace the suffering, it does not become suffering anymore. Because there is love.
Ikaw, pag tinitingnan mo si Quintin, anong candy yung nakikita mo sa pagtingin niya?
Ang tingin siguro sa akin, ako yung takbuhan talaga.
Sanctuary.
Yeah. Kakampi. Kampi ko to eh.
Mga kapatid, Dimples Romana po, kumpletuhin ang inyong umaga ng mga kwentong puno ng inspirasyon. Salubungin po ang bawat araw ng may ngiti at pag-asa. Kaya't mag-subscribe na po at mag-follow na sa aming social media pages ng News 5.